What is good, guys? Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are doing an unboxing, an Amazon found type of unboxing of the portable sewing machine. So if you're a hand stitch girl, a DIY kind of girl, this is for you. Like me, it's going to elevate our stitching and it'll make life a bit more easier, hopefully. So the price that I got this was $22.75, and it actually comes like different colors. So we got pink, black, and white. I just go in the white because I don't know. I think it's the best color out of all of them, and it's more like aesthetically pleasing to me. It comes with like instructions, but once I saw like the little writing and everything, like it's not for me. So I'm more of like a visual learner, so straight to YouTube to see exactly how to use this. And the video was actually the same machine that I got, so much easier to follow the video. So I'll also like I'll also put like the description. I'll also put a link of the video that I watched in the description box. So yeah, so it comes with also like more kind of 3 threads, I think it comes with. So a little bit more closer look of what it looks like. So it's actually bigger than I expected, but it's good. So the instructions are pretty detailed, but there's so little writing. So these are like the little kind of equipments it also comes with. So it's supposed to sew like silk, denim, and all sorts of fabrics. And this is also good like if you're a petite kind of girl like me, but not everything comes in a petite. So you just have to get a medium size and hope for the best. And sometimes you just gotta do a little bit of cutting. But at least this can kind of make the cutting kind of cleaner because you can kind of sew like the edges and you're good. So I'll be using a denim fabric as a sample to test this out. So what's important based on looking at YouTube videos, you need to have like a thread out before you start sewing, and also towards the end of the sewing you need to have another thread out. And the reason for that is to kind of tie a knot at the end so it doesn't come out. So I guess the benefit of this is that the stitches are not permanent, so you can easily just remove them. And if you like the stitches, if you like the sewing, you can just like permanent kind of create your own kind of what do you call it again? Knot. And yeah. So I guess like once you get the sewing machine, like everything's already kind of set up. All you need to do is just sew. So as you can see now, I'm just showing you how it looks, and it's so easy to take out. So simple. And also I forgot to say, the only thing you need to do once you get the sewing portable sewing machine is to add in batteries. You need batteries for this, guys. 4 batteries specifically. And it's also like an adapter there as well. So if you want to use a USB, I guess that's another option. So I'm just sewing it again so I can just show you guys how to get permanent, how to look when it's permanent. So it comes with a needle threader that I use to create the knot on the opposite side of the stitch. And it's actually pretty simple to do. You just need to like focus because it's really tiny, but it's really easy to do. And as you can see, this is as stiff as life, like it's as stiff as anything. So I guess it's a good sewing machine, I guess. But obviously it's a light denim. Like I wasn't really using like a really heavy fabric because this is just like something to do for like your hand stitches or whatever. So I wouldn't go overboard. It does come with an extra pin as well in case it breaks, but I don't want it to break, so I'm gonna be use it for like light fabrics. So I actually have my slip dress that the straps came out that I actually want to stitch, but obviously it's a black dress, so I won't be using a black thread. So for the purpose of this video, I'm just gonna show you like a sample. So I'll be using the white thread that it came with, but I'm not gonna like create a knot. I don't want it permanent. I'm just doing this for the video. Yeah. So pretty decent. Like it works for like your everyday kind of thing fabrics. So I wouldn't use it on like every fabric. You don't want that paint to break. But yeah, I think it's a good thing to have in the house. Yeah. So thumbs up. That is a wrap for the video. Thank you so much for watching. So guys, please give this video a like, a subscribe, a comment. Do 3 or do 1. Do something for me, please. So I'll definitely be doing more like Amazon finds kind of video. So I'm gonna see you guys in the next one. Thank you so much. Bye.